Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can make a lot of fund from bybit without investment or without trading crypto. So without waste of time, we're going to quickly look at how this works exactly. But before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do what to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can benefit from this amazing content. So all you just need to do is to make sure you have your own verified Bybit account. Okay, if you just log into your Bybit account, you're going to click on more. I've explained something similar in my previous video. So you're going to click on more. But on this occasion today, we're going to use launch pool. Okay, we're going to use on launch pool. Okay, launch pool is where you can see awaiting coin to be listed. Okay, the awaiting coin to be listed will be there. So let's quickly click on launch pool. Let's see what's new for us today. So clicking on launch pool, we're going to go into exercise patient a little for it to open. Okay, the moment it's open, you can see exactly it's going to show you something of this nature. Launch pool, you say earn new token by staking what? By staking crypto. Okay, earn new tokens by staking crypto, right? So let's quickly look into that. So what is this new token that Binance is about to launch that is currently on um on launch pool? Okay, all right, let's look at it. This coin actually have been listed, but it's taking a restriction for staking. So all you just need to do is to stake in this very place with us. I think the minimum here is 100 USD. Stake with 100 USD and get L3 coin in returns. So you earn by what? By staking crypto on Bybit. What are you going to earn exactly? What you're going to earn is token, and those token can be converted to USDT to withdraw in order for you to withdraw to your own final account. All right. So in this staking, we're going to look at what exactly it's all about. So as we can see here, the name of this token is L3 and it's currently ongoing. Look at this place. When is the expiring date? On this, it started on the July 30th and it's going to end on the August 6th. July 30th, August 6th. Right? And the total date left is 1 day 20 hours. 1 day 20 hours. Right? So what is expected of us to do here? So the first thing you just need to do is to register. But before you register, I'm going to show you one thing that you must understand. Okay, in this staking, you can either stake with L3, that's the number one. Secondly, you can stake with MNT, which is number two. And thirdly, you can stake with USDT, which is one of the major things I love doing. Do you know why I love staking in USDT personal? Because USDT is a stable coin. It hardly fluctuates in the market. If you stake MNT, what's before the tokens will be distributed and the MNT market falls. What if you also stake in L3 and before the token distributions the L3 falls? What would you do? But if you stake in USDT, you're going to get your fund back fully and you're going to get your L3 token distributions back on a free basis, right? So I always advise my subscribers, my students to stake always in USDT, right? So we're going to go into stake in USDT. So, or if you want to stake in MNT, all is cool. All is cool. It's just that our choices are different. And you can as well go ahead to make your own personal research before investing in anything here. Okay, so looking at all of this now, before you do, if you must first have a USDT in your wallet. Okay, you must first what? Have a USDT in your wallet. And those USDT, the first thing you're just going to do is you convert it to L3, an allocation that you want to stake L3. If you want to stake MNT, you convert those USDT to MNT. But if you want to stake in USDT, you don't have to convert anything. You just kindly come in straight to stake. So the first thing you're just going to do is to click on register. I've dropped in previous videos on how you can convert your coins or you buy, then use it to stake. So that notwithstanding, if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. I will attend to you personally. Okay? If you really don't know how to do that, I will drop you a link of a video that you need to watch, only you, so that you can really understand how it works. So we're going to click on register now to proceed. Okay, so you have registered successfully. You can see the message. You have registered successfully. That's great. I'm going to click OK now. So since I've registered successfully, the next thing I just want to do is to stake. But before I stake, why don't I just take a look at the price pool and see the percentage that I stand to earn? The percentage you can earn here is 23% to 27% as VIP. The total stake currently is this, and the total participant currently is 100,000 and above. So you're just going to go into click on this place now to stake. I've done something of this nature in the past. I think it's not going to be new for us again. Okay, so it's very simple. If you come to this place, the minimum you can stake here, you can see it. The minimum you can stake here is 100 USD. So you're going to go into input your 100 USD here. Okay, having input your 100 USD, the next thing you're just going to do is to click on I have read and agree to the launch pool service agreement. Okay, so take a look at this very carefully. Right, so having done this, we're going to go into click on this confirm, and your total volume that you're going to stick with must be showing here. All right, it must be showing here, and you must not have less than 100 USD. Okay, so the next thing that you're just going to do is to click on confirm. After you click on confirm, then everything will be staked. Okay, so after you stake, after you stake, you're going to go into come back here to check your stake. You come back here, staking history, to check your stake. Okay, you click on it, you're going to go into check your stake over there. And one of the most fascinating thing here is that you can refer on this. Anyone that stake using your referral link, you will also be given some percentage. All right, so if there's anything at all you do not understand here, do what to chat me up. Drop your comment at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.